All right, we're here in Chania. You can probably see I'm at the old port now. I'm in the old town, and you know just how much I love this place. Everyone probably knows how obsessed I am with this city. It's probably one of the most recognizable cities in Greece. What's just so special about it is the amount of influence that is here, and it dates back thousands of years. You know, you've got your ancient civilizations, the Ottoman influence, the Venetian influence, who built this port. It's just a melting pot of culture here, and it's probably what makes it my favorite little city. So for me, one of the best things about Chania is walking through the little laneways and finding all the gems and little restaurants that are tucked away in little corners. It's really something special. This is where it gets dangerous for me because there are so many little shops I want to go into and pick up beautiful handmade things. This is my kind of shopping heaven. It's just so beautiful. No matter how lost you get in these little laneways, you'll always find your way back to the Limani, to the main port, to the water. Just look at how beautiful it is. Oh my God, this is why I love this place so much. You want my recommendation of all the places to eat because there's so many to choose from. It can be a little bit confusing. You can't go wrong with a beautiful sunset dinner along these restaurants here. You've got Canale, you've got Palazzo. Cretan dancing you just saw happens every Tuesday up until September, so make sure if you're here on a Tuesday night, watch the Cretan dancing. We've just had the most amazing dinner here in Chania. It's time to get a little dessert, so I'm going to make my way through the streets, explore a little of the tradition and enjoy what I love the most about Cretan. Kalinikta.